change this so easy. Maybe. Now we can take our little Indian yellow color and this will become brighter green. It's up to you. You have to make that decision however you want. But that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Green as you want. There. Alright, we put our light rays back in. And that's basically all there is to this little painting. When you do it, experiment a little. You'll find all kinds of wonderful things that you can do that I haven't even thought about yet. Let's take a little bit of red. And I'm going to sign this little rascal. We'll sign it up here so you can see it. And with that, I think we're going to have a finished painting. I really hope you try this one, and I'd love it if you'd send me a photograph of what you do, because it's unbelievable. Some of the pictures